If you're like me, you have run into the issue of how to add a 2.4 gigahertz device like a smart plug or printer to your Google Mesh system, which is dual band, meaning 2.4 and 5 gigahertz are not separated. There is a simple fix to this, so let's jump right in. First, open your Google Home app. The easiest way to find it on your iPhone is to swipe down on the home screen and type in Google Home. Click it, and then choose Favorites at the bottom if it is not already selected. Next, click Wi-Fi in the top left corner. From here, click down to Network Settings. Click Guest Network. Turn on the slider to set up the guest network. Type in a network name and password, making sure the password is secure, and then click Save. Now, you can find this network during your device setup to specifically connect to the 2.4 gigahertz band.